Hi guys, welcome to my channel, my home on YouTube. Today's video is actually how to bring your outfit to like another level. Just to show you how you can bring that simple plain outfit and just accelerate it a little bit with different accessories such as jackets, shoes, hair accessories, jewelry, just like things like that. So yeah, I thought that would be kind of fun, just to show how one plain outfit can be accelerated so much to such a high level by just like changing or tweaking little things here and there. Yeah, so before we get into the video, we are gonna go together and subscribe to the channel. Follow me on all social media at CanbyRehaw, and let's get right into this very fabulous video. Okay, so as you can see, I've got all my stuff happening right here beside me because I don't have one of those rolling wardrobe things yet. But yeah, this is the easiest way for me to just kind of grab a few things out of my closet and show you guys. Now, as you can see, I am just in your regular blue jeans. You've seen these this outfit in my videos before. Blue jeans, black top. Yeah, so that is the basic outfit. So the blue jeans and the black top, which everybody else has. I'm sure everybody has in their closet. And as you can see, I'm not wearing socks because I don't know, I just didn't put socks on. Can you even see that? Hopefully you can. Okay, so you are going out the door and you don't have that much time and you've pulled on your blue jeans, you've pulled on your black t-shirt, and you're keeping it quite simple, and you've just pulled on this hoodie. So how can you elevate this outfit to another level? Now say you just want to be comfortable and you want to be like, you're going to be running around and you're doing errands. What's the best way to do that? Nobody wants to be wearing heels while they're running around. So you are going to go into your closet and you're going to grab your sneakers. Any sneakers that you want, grab those sneakers, put those on. Okay, so I've got my Vans, so I'm gonna put those guys on because I'm sure a lot of you guys probably have a pair of Vans in your closet, as well as maybe a pair of Cons, yeah, or just runners, like whatever you have in your closet. Maybe we want to elevate it to another level, a little bit more extra you want to go. So what sort of accessory can we add on there? We can put earrings on. That's going to elevate the outfit a little bit. So we can add just a nice pair of hoops. So this has really elevated the whole outfit together. And now we're going to elevate it just a little bit more by adding the jacket that we're going to. So we can pick what kind of jacket we want. So grab your bomber leather jacket, bomber jacket, add that. And then the accessory that you can add on top to elevate it even more is the bag. So you can pick a more colorful bag, and you're ready to go. And your outfit has changed so much from the very first to the next one, and you're so comfortable and you look like $1,000,000. Now you've decided that you want to wear something with heels on, you want to elevate it a little bit more, you still want to stay in the neutral tones, so how are we going to change it? Okay, so I brought these shoes, which are going to be basically the staple of the entire thing. Oh, I didn't take my earrings off. Okay, so we're going to take these and we're going to put these guys on. I'm going to keep the earrings on because I like the vibe. And so far, just the shoes alone have changed it. You can again just put on that leather jacket on top and you're good to go. So we can actually, see, I'll show add that leather jacket, and we are so good to go. And instead of adding, I'm a disaster, that red bag, because we have these shoes on, we're gonna actually opt for more of a black bag. So we're gonna take this, and we are so ready to go out. Maybe for drinks, totally ready. That's it, that's all you kind of need. Now you want to elevate this same outfit to another level, and you can definitely add a belt. A belt is your best friend. It is gonna take it another step forward. And I have just my Sarah belt right here that I just grabbed not too long ago. And there you have it. So what really changed this outfit from the other look, the more comfortable, to this look is mostly the shoes and probably the belt. Those are the two things that changed it. And of course we have this really nice clutch that changes the whole look from the first look to the second look. And you're still wearing the same t-shirt and the same pair of jeans, which is like, that's all you need, right? You can keep the same shoes on. I'm gonna add this on top, and that changes the outfit again. We're gonna grab our clutch, and it changes it to something completely, totally different, right? We can, even if we wanted to take the earrings off and add like a choker or something if you wanted to, but I kind of like this whole vibe thing that's happening right now. Yeah, so that's another way to change it. Add a watch, do that. I have my trusty watch here. Let's add the watch to the whole outfit. And it doesn't matter if the watch is silver or gold and your accessories are the opposite metal. I just like to mix all the different metals. And there you go. The whole thing has been changed from the leather look to this look. Let's change the shoes to something different. How it changes the outfit. Now, your shoes are still printed, but yet they're a little bit more muted with the colors. They don't pop as much as the other ones did. They are a little bit more muted, and they go with the entire look as well. And you didn't do nothing. Again, you can change this and put on the leather one if you wanted to. But the whole outfit, everything, the base of your outfit is exactly the same. So now you do want to change this. You want to add a little bit more color to your whole theme. So there, we've added this, and look how that changed it, brightens it, everything. We've kept this on, we've kept the belt on, got the earrings on, and then we're gonna drop everything on the ground, grab our clutch, and we are out on the town again. So easy. Now, we are sick of this hair, we want to change it up a little bit. Let's do that. Let's change it up. We're sick of the earrings too. We're sick of hoops right now, so let's change it up. So, what can we do? We can add a choker. That's really nice. But if you were to add the choker, I wouldn't do anything because the choker is so blingy. I wouldn't do anything to the hair. Maybe pull it back. That would look nice. Just pulling it back a little bit, and that just kind of changes the whole look. And I would just take a thing and pull back the hair, clutch, and you're ready to go. And the whole outfit has changed again and again. Still wearing the belt, and we're still wearing this t-shirt, we're still wearing the same jeans, and we've got these shoes on. say you're not really the choker type of person. You don't want the choker. Okay, so let's take that choker off. You know what? I'm gonna be a little bit fancy. I'm gonna take my hairband. Now my hair is pulled back. It's a little bit nice and sleek. Take my hairband and just put that on. Now it's got a lot of bling up here. So I'm gonna actually take off the watch because the watch has a lot of bling too. So you just gotta be a little bit. If you want, you can keep the blingy belt, or you can just put something that's a little bit more matted, or you can just take the belt off completely and just have it like, because you've got so much bling happening up here, you would just take this off. I like the bling. It's a little bit more my thing, but you can definitely take that off. Maybe put on a plain black belt if you want. And there you go. And that's the next one. So I don't know how many outfits I've actually shown you guys here of how I've changed it around. I think I've changed just pretty much like cardigans and accessories around to show you how one basic can be elevated in so many different ways and styled in so many different ways just by changing a few things here and there, and just like from shoes to hair accessories to jewelry, jackets, bags, all that stuff. It can just change something around a little bit. Yeah, so there you go. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video on how to elevate or elevate your outfit to another level by just having two simple things in your wardrobe, the jeans and basic black top. They don't ever have to change. Just tweaking it here and there with accessories can definitely change that outfit and just kind of make it like from here to like